close-up of a burning $100 bill. What if I told you that every day you're burning money without even realizing it? And no, I'm not talking about your Starbucks addiction. This is bigger, much bigger. Transition to upbeat music and a confident smile. Hey, it's your name. And today I'm here to show you how to stop wasting money and start building the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Stick with me for the next 8 minutes because by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear financial blueprint that could change your life forever. Ready? Let's dive in. The problem, why most people struggle. Financially, montage of people looking stressed, credit card bills, late night work sessions, empty wallets. Voiceover. Here's the harsh truth. Most people are stuck in a cycle of earning, spending, and stressing. And the worst part, they don't even see it happening. Pattern interrupt. Cut to a humorous scene of someone searching for coins under their couch cushions. Ever found yourself digging through your couch for spare change? Don't worry, we've all been there, but the problem isn't just about making more money, it's about managing what you already have. Shift to a serious tone. If you don't take control now, you're risking years, decades even, of missed opportunities. Let's break this cycle, starting today. The solution: 3 steps to financial freedom, animated graphic of 3 steps appearing on screen. Voiceover. Here are the 3 steps that will completely transform your financial future. Step 1. Budget. Like a pro visual, someone happily organizing their budget with colorful charts. Think of your budget as your GPS. Without it, you're driving blind. Start by tracking every dollar that comes in and goes out. Apps like Mint or YNAB make it easy, but even a simple spreadsheet works. Humorous comment? And no, unexpected expenses is not a category. That's just code for bad planning. Step 2. Invest early and often visual. Split screen of 2 people, one investing early and one starting late. Time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. Even small, consistent investments can snowball into massive returns over time. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Emotional trigger: fear. Every year you wait could cost you thousands, even millions. Can you really afford to wait? Step 3. Eliminate bad debt visual. Someone happily cutting up a credit card. Debt is like an anchor holding you back. High-interest debts like credit cards should be your first target. Use strategies like the snowball method to tackle them one by one. Pattern interrupt. Because let's face it, no one ever said, "I'm so glad I maxed out my card on those avocado toasts." A montage of someone enjoying their dream lifestyle, traveling, driving a nice car, stress-free. Imagine this: no debt weighing you down, investments growing in the background, and the freedom to do what you want, when you want. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality you can create starting right now. Excitement and urgency. But here's the catch. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Call to action smiling host with a clickable end screen featuring another. Now that you've got your financial blueprint, it's time to supercharge your wealth. Check out my next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, it'll blow your mind. Click it now, and I'll see you there.